In today's video, we're putting Lovable and Replit head-to-head to find out which one delivers the best coding experience in 2025, from features and AI support to real-world usability. If you're choosing between Lovable and Replit, it all comes down to how you want to build your project. These platforms are both AI-powered, but they serve different types of users. Replit is built for developers. It offers a complete coding and deployment environment right inside your browser, so there's no need for local setup. You can build quick scripts or full-stack applications with ease. One standout feature is Ghostwriter, Replit's AI pair programmer that helps write, debug, and optimize your code in real time. It also includes real-time collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to work on code together, just like editing a shared document. However, Replit's browser-based IDE may feel limited if you're used to advanced development environments, and some premium deployment features require a subscription. On the other hand, Lovable is tailored for designers, product managers, and startup founders. Instead of coding, you describe what you want in plain English, and the AI generates a working web application. It's ideal for quick prototyping and UI brainstorming. Lovable also integrates with tools like Figma, so you can turn design concepts into functional code almost instantly. Its strength lies in automation and ease of use, automatically debugging and refactoring, while clearly explaining its changes. But keep in mind, it lacks full backend support and doesn't offer complete code-based control yet. So, which one should you pick? If you're a developer who needs full control over the build process, Replit is the better choice. If you're more focused on design and quick iterations, Lovable helps bring your ideas to life faster. Many teams even use both, starting with Lovable for mockups and moving to Replit for final development. That wraps up the comparison. Whether you choose Lovable or Replit, make sure it fits your workflow and goals for 2025.